a great choice today with the 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, running boards, power liftgate, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, heated front seats, security system, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.